It's a 2009 Chevy Suburban 5.3. This is what it sounds like before. Again. As you guys can see, you can barely hear it. Again. This is the sound decibels on it. Again. Right at 85. So we let you hear it with the stock. This is the 09 Suburban. So it's got factory converters there and there. It's got the dreaded third cat everyone hates and I hate. Then what we did to make up for that is put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer, part number 71419, with a 3-inch turn down. As you guys can see right there. Look at them beautiful welds. I love it. Right there. So there'll be a link in the description for them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It was 80, like 85 before on sound decibels. And we'll see what it is now. There's the muffler. There's the tailpipe. There's the resonator that we cut off right there. That's what was it with bone stock. So it comes to be really quiet. 2009 Suburban LT 5.3 liter beast. Got some fat wheels on it right there. What we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then no dreaded third cat on this Suburban, heck yeah. Then we did a muffler delete, 3-inch right there. Did a resonator delete into a 5-inch rolled chrome tip right there. You guys can see. There's the resonator we cut off. There's the muffler we cut off. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's about it. Oh yeah, I like that. The Flow FXs give it such a deep tone. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Again. It's like right at 98. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Sure. There it is. Again. Not too bad, and it's hidden, so like it makes it even cleaner. Let you guys hear on that. Have a good one on. Much better. Go ahead. There's sound decibels. Oh yeah, baby. 110. That sounds phenomenal. There's the resonator muffler right there. Is that on?
I don't like. Look at that.